Kind of neat to see the last crater there. We are approaching. This is the old crater. And then you see some fire.
That's our favorite crater from May 29th, eruption.
Yep.
So that left one, the most southern one, is feeding a lava flow flowing towards southeast, like towards us and to the right, which is was very spectacular last night. The middle one is feeding a grand lava river which flows to the east towards the power plant, and that one is still quite active.
Look, I can see the lava glow there now. Yeah. Nice. Ooh, we're getting close.
We're getting close.
Yay. Ooh, I see fresh lava.
Wind's picking up somewhat here.
Should I go up a little higher?
No. Well, yeah, eventually. But let's just try and... yeah, it's fine here. So let's try and get the middle one first and the other one on the way back. That's the best use of the battery time.
Makes sense. Wow. Look at this. Look. I love it. Oh, nice lava stream. See, look, so here, we're on the other side.
Whoa. I don't know what that
is. There were going to be some gusts. I'm glad we could take off. That looks pretty good. So look, it's still a fissure, and then it'll turn into a... Wow. That is nuts. Wow.
Oh, sorry. I borrowed this drone from DJ Reykjavik. It's not mine, because mine has a little problem. Wait.
Look at that stream. Yeah, that's awesome. Wow.
Take the brightness a little bit, like this. Yeah, that's good. So we're going to try to loop around here and see. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, it always freezes when you take a photo, you see?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, yeah, I see where it is.
The colors are spectacular. I can see another photo on my wall, Johan.
I got some error here on. Okay, I can't see. Yeah. Wait.
Ooh, look at that, the little ones here. Nice lava river. The colors are spectacular.
We're already 5.3 kilometers out, which is...
Yeah, wow. Yeah, that's good.
There's some error. I hope it's not the SD card full.
Oh, gosh. Yeah, me too. That's nice.
Yeah, it's pretty spectacular.
It is amazing. Oh, isn't it? Right, A. This is gorgeous. Oop. A little too far. Let me turn around. Wow. This is gorgeous.
We're getting a little low on battery, so you might want to just, if you want some manual flying time, then you can head back south, so you're not on the smoke side.
Okay, let me turn around, go to the other side, go around, and we'll head back. So amazing.
Yeah, this way. You can go this way. We can pass over it. That's fine.
Yeah. I want to fly in the smoke. I don't want to lose your drone.
Oh, that's me moving. Yeah, just keep flying forward.
Okay.
I'm stretching the battery here somewhat.
Okay, we're leaving, but we're seeing the last one here.
Yeah. I
with
can
the
move
sunset. Here, let me move a little bit to this left side of it. A little bit there. Now turn this way. Get a little bit more of the sunset there if I can.
Yeah, but just keep moving forward.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm stretching the battery here, so
okay.
I'll move the camera for you slowly here.
There we go. That's a nice color. Let's go down. Oops. I guess that's as far down as I can go. There we go. Okay, onward we go.
All right.